How to fix Xbox This site cannot be reached error on PC. Welcome back to Tenabalta. The Xbox This site cannot be reached error on PC can be a frustrating roadblock for gamers attempting to access Xbox services, launch games, or even sign in to their Microsoft account within the Xbox application. This pervasive connectivity issue typically stems from a complex interplay of factors, ranging from local network misconfigurations and DNS resolution failures to aggressive firewall interventions, corrupt system files, or even interference from third-party applications. Understanding the underlying mechanisms of network communication and resource access is crucial for diagnosing and effectively resolving this problem, ensuring your PC can seamlessly communicate with Microsoft's Xbox Live infrastructure. Our deep dive guide today will equip you with a comprehensive suite of professional, technical solutions to systematically troubleshoot and rectify this common hindrance, restoring your access to the Xbox ecosystem. Verify host's file integrity. The host's file, located at c/Windows/System32/drivers/etc/hosts, maps hostnames to IP addresses and can override DNS resolutions, potentially blocking access to Microsoft or Xbox Live servers if malicious or misconfigured entries exist. Open Notepad as an administrator, load this file, and carefully remove any lines containing Microsoft, Xbox Live, or Office that appear suspicious or are not intentionally added. Then save the changes. This ensures no local overrides are preventing your system from reaching Xbox services. Configure browser secure DNS settings. DNS resolution is critical for translating website names into IP addresses, and custom or secure DNS providers like Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 can often resolve connectivity issues caused by unreliable or filtered ISP DNS servers. Navigate to your browser's privacy and security settings, enable Use Secure DNS, and select a reliable provider to bypass potential filtering or outdated DNS caches. This can significantly improve connection reliability and speed to Xbox-related web services. Disable ISP secure internet profiles. Many internet service providers offer secure internet or family protection profiles that filter web content and can inadvertently block legitimate Microsoft and Xbox Live domains, preventing access. Log into your ISP's customer portal or contact their support to verify if such a profile is active on your account and temporarily disable it for testing purposes. This ensures that your network traffic to Xbox services is not being unfairly throttled or blocked at the ISP level. Toggle Experimental QUIC Protocol. The Experimental QUIC Protocol, a modern transport layer network protocol designed for speed, can sometimes cause compatibility issues with certain network configurations or server endpoints, leading to connectivity errors. Access your browser's experimental flags, e.g., Chrome//flags or Edge//flags. Search for Experimental QUIC Protocol and set it to disabled, then restart your browser. This reverts to more established protocols, potentially resolving handshake or connection failures. Perform comprehensive network stack reset. A series of command line operations can effectively refresh your PC's entire network stack, resolving corrupted DNS caches, IP address conflicts, and WinSock errors that commonly cause connectivity problems. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdons, ipconfig/registerdons, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netch WinSock reset, and netch int IP reset, restarting your computer after completion. This procedure systematically rebuilds your network configuration from the ground up. Clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated browser cache and cookies can interfere with how your browser fetches and displays web content, leading to site cannot be reached errors even when the underlying network connection is stable. Access your browser's settings to clear all cached images, files, and cookies for all time. Then restart the browser. This ensures that the browser retrieves fresh data from Xbox Live services, eliminating client-side data conflicts. Test with mobile hotspot/alternate network to definitively diagnose whether the issue lies with your local home network or your PC's configuration. Connect your computer to an alternate internet source, such as a mobile phone's cellular hotspot. If Xbox services become accessible through the hotspot, it strongly indicates that your primary home network, router, or ISP settings are the root cause. This diagnostic step isolates the problem domain, guiding further troubleshooting efforts. Check Xbox Live service status. Before delving into extensive local troubleshooting, it is always prudent to confirm the operational status of Xbox Live services directly from Microsoft's official status page. Widespread outages or maintenance activities can naturally prevent access to Xbox features and games, irrespective of your local setup. If services are indeed experiencing issues, patient waiting is often the only immediate solution. Restart router and modem. A fundamental troubleshooting step for nearly all network-related issues involves power cycling your primary network hardware, including your modem and wireless router. Disconnect both devices from power for at least 30 seconds, then reconnect the modem first, waiting for it to fully synchronize before powering on the router. This refreshes IP assignments, clears temporary network errors, and reestablishes stable connections. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network adapter drivers can significantly impede your PC's ability to establish stable internet connections and communicate effectively with online services like Xbox Live. Access Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your active adapter and select Update Driver, or visit your motherboard/network card manufacturer's website for the latest official drivers. Ensuring drivers are current optimizes network performance and compatibility. Disable VPN/proxy services. Virtual private networks, VPN, and proxy servers, while beneficial for privacy or geo-unblocking, can sometimes misroute or block traffic to specific Microsoft or Xbox endpoints due to server configurations, network conflicts, or IP restrictions. Temporarily disable any active VPN client or proxy settings in your browser and Windows network configurations. This helps determine if these services are inadvertently interfering with your Xbox connectivity. Temporarily disable firewall/antivirus. Aggressive firewall rules or overzealous antivirus software can mistakenly identify legitimate Xbox Live connections as threats and block them, resulting in site cannot be reached errors. Temporarily disable your third-party firewall and antivirus programs, or Windows Defender Firewall, and attempt to access Xbox services. If connectivity is restored, carefully reconfigure your security software to whitelist Xbox processes and ports. Check date and time synchronization. Incorrect system date and time settings can cause major issues with secure communication protocols like SSL/TLS, which are essential for connecting to online services and validating digital certificates. Ensure your PC's date and time are automatically synchronized with an Internet time server in Windows settings. Mismatched time can prevent encrypted connections, leading to perceived connectivity failures. Run Network Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in network troubleshooter that can automatically detect and often resolve common network connectivity problems by identifying issues with adapters, DNS, or gateways. Access Settings Network and Internet Status, and select Network Troubleshooter to initiate a scan. While not always a panacea, it can provide initial insights and automate basic fixes. Reset network settings in Windows. For persistent network issues, Windows offers a Network Reset option that reinstalls all network adapters and resets networking components to their default settings. Go to Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network Reset, then click Reset Now. Be aware this will remove all custom network configurations, including VPNs and saved Wi-Fi passwords, requiring re-entry. Reinstall Xbox app/gaming services. If this site cannot be reached, error specifically manifests when interacting with the Xbox app or its components. Reinstalling the app and associated gaming services might resolve corrupted installations. Uninstall the Xbox app via Settings Apps and Features. Then open PowerShell as administrator and run get apps package gaming services. Remove apps package all users. Reboot and reinstall the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store. Flush DNS resolver cache and restart DNS client service. Beyond the ipconfig/flushdns command, sometimes the DNS client service itself can become stuck or corrupted, requiring a full restart to clear its internal cache and resolve lingering DNS issues. Open Services, MSC, locate the DNS client service, right-click and select Restart. This action ensures that your system starts with a completely fresh DNS lookup mechanism. Change DNS servers at router level. Applying public DNS servers, like Google or Cloudflare, directly at your router's configuration level provides a network-wide change, affecting all connected devices rather than just individual browsers or PCs. Access your router's administration panel, typically via its IP address in a browser, and locate the DNS settings to input your preferred public DNS addresses. This ensures all network traffic utilizes the specified resolvers. Check for pending Windows updates. Microsoft frequently releases cumulative updates that include vital network component fixes, security patches, and compatibility improvements that can directly impact Xbox service connectivity. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date by navigating to Settings Windows Update and checking for and installing any pending updates. A current OS reduces the likelihood of encountering known software bugs. Run SFC and DISM scans. Corrupted system files can lead to a myriad of Windows issues, including network connectivity problems, by affecting core operating system components. Open Command Prompt as administrator and execute SFC/scano to check for and repair protected system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows. These commands ensure the integrity of your operating system's foundation. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.